everyone, welcome to China New Energy Vehicle Lecture. Today's spotlight, Jetour Shanhai T2. This car has been customized as requested. Pretty sharp, right? Check it out! Nearly 4.8 meters long, over 2 meters wide. Full boxy design redefining top space. Powered by a 1.5 high-efficiency hybrid engine. 224 horsepower, stronger than the Jetour Traveler. Blackened Chery classic round LEDs, pure toughness. Strong waistline and the big standout spare tire. Pure electric range over 200 kilometers. Total range over 1,000 kilometers. See the difference? The Shanhai T2 is more for energetic youth. The Traveler is more for steady elites. Step inside. The 15.6 inches ultra-clear screen grabs you instantly. Premium ergonomic seats with soft wrap, power adjustment. Hello Jetour. Smart voice assistant, instant response, Qualcomm Snapdragon A155 chip. Smooth as silk. Multiple passive safety system, always got your back. If you also have purchase and customization needs, remember to follow and message us. We offer professional guidance throughout the car buying process. Jetour Shanhai T2 is more than a car, it's your all-terrain companion. Smartly driving the future, globally connected. We are Yiheshan International Treat. Want to see a specific car? Comments below.
Yiheshan